Okay, we are actually so far the small company and the new company from Latvia, new T21, and we started as a startup with new ideas. And I think that being a small country, there's always sometimes it seems disadvantage not being able to afford the big systems. But with development of drones and unmanned systems, I think the small country is now making change in many types of warfare, and we see it in the war in Ukraine. I think very perfectly, and therefore we developed this kamikaze or killer drone for basically be being to be able to operate in naval and quite difficult conditions. It can be operated in 200 kilometers, and it can carry quite substantial explosive load, up to 200 kilograms. And actually, I do believe that this changes the whole essence of naval warfare, because with very cheap solutions you can make a lot of damage and destroy big ships. And I think when it comes to Euronaval exhibition, it's been the new experience here for us, but it's so far proven very fruitful and useful because we can meet a lot of companies and make different contacts and also make common projects.